Just souls, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so excited to be here with you today. My name is Alex Vitilla, founder of Breathing Heart Consultancy. I'm your leading shamanic priestess of wealth and well-being, and I teach and work with entrepreneurs, heart-centered coaches and consultants who are ready to smash through the six-figure income ceiling in their business by healing past traumas. And today I'm here because I have an offer. I have an offer for the leaders, the bold action takers that are ready to really show up, step up, grow up your business so that you can really make an epic impact onto this world. So the offer is called Activate Your Wealth Consciousness Programming, and it's a 1 week with me, a very close interaction. And you may look at the testimonial. I've run this program just before the summer with amazing results of people calling in new clients, calling in better offers, just switching on their creativity so they could invite more money into their businesses. Just go and watch those testimonials. But today I'm here because enrollment is open again for five bold leaders, soul-centered entrepreneurs that are ready to, like I said, expand your business. Ideal is to get you from 5K to 10K consistently every month. And we will be doing some very close work by identifying your blocks to abundance, removing those blocks to abundance. And the universe abhors a vacuum. So once you identify and remove, you need to fill that space, quote, with something a lot more empowering. And this is where a lot of coaches fail. Some are very good at identifying the blocks. Some are very good at removing the blocks. And, most of the time they stop there. But unless you really go deep and heal and you know how to do those three things consistently, identifying, removing, replacing, the old patterns is going to show up. So chances are you work with people, you made a big leap, and then a few months the old pattern starts. So this is for you if you're really motivated to grow your business. This is for you if you're heart-centered, you want to make a big impact to this planet, to the cosmos. You can go big. There's no limit here. And this is for you if you're ready and willing to show up and to do the inner work. And I'm here to facilitate all that. I'm here to be your biggest cheerleader. So if this is you, the investment is £500. It's a one-off investment. 1 week activation. It's so powerful and deep. Like I said, just go and watch the testimonials and we take it from there. So if this is you, drop me a message and I'll send you the enrollment details. We start in September, 5 people. After that, the offer of the investment of £500 will be gone forever. Lots of love.